Right way to use Chef-Mate Kitchen Scale KS80. Simply flip the scale and remove the plastic strip from the battery compartment so you can start using it right away. Keep the scale on a flat, stable surface. Avoid placing it on cloth or mats and keep it away from fans. Airflow will fluctuate the accurate readings. Lightly tap the tare/power button to switch it on. Ignore the first reading shown. Tap the unit button to choose your preferred measurement unit, grams, ml, etc. Place your food item on the scale to check its weight. How to use tare function. Place the bowl on the scale, press tare to reset it to 0. Now add your ingredients for accurate measurement. Press and hold the tare/power button for 3 seconds to switch it off. After use care tips. Do not clean with water. Wipe the scale with a dry or slightly damp cloth and store it in a dry place. For longer battery life, remove batteries if not in regular use. Thank you.